Acid rain. Dear students, you must have always heard about beauty of the Taj Mahal. This monument is made of pure white marble, which is great center of attraction. But in recent years, Taj Mahal is losing its luster. The main reason behind it is acid rain. So in this video, we are going to learn what is acid rain. Atmospheric carbon dioxide dissolves in rainwater and forms carbonic acid, which contains H+ ions, due to which rainwater has pH 5.6. Burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, petrol or diesel and similar human activities produces harmful gases like SO2 and NO2, with which atmosphere gets polluted, which when mixed with rainwater causes decrease of rainwater pH below 5.6. Now the rain is more acidic and more harmful and so called acid rain. Ammonium salts are also formed as a result of human activities and can be seen as an atmospheric haze. Haze contains fine particles that may be dry or wet. Wet particles are aerosols. Aerosol particles of ammonium salts in raindrop result in wet deposition. SO2 is absorbed directly on solid and liquid ground surfaces and is deposited as dry deposition. Acid rain is harmful for agriculture, trees and plants as it dissolves and washes away essential nutrients needed for their growth. It causes respiratory ailments in human beings and animals. Water of acid rain, which reach lake and other sources, affects aquatic life. It leads to corrosion in water pipes, due to which metals from pipe enter into drinking water. It damages buildings, bridges and other structures made of stone or metal. There are large number of industries, power plants which uses poor quality coal and other fossil fuels. As a result, air around Agra have fairly higher concentration of sulfur and nitrogen oxides. Ultimately, there is frequent problem of acid rain. This is the main reason why Taj Mahal is losing its luster. Indian government is taking measures to preserve the beauty of Taj Mahal. The aim is to clear the air in the area so-called Taj Trapezium, which includes Agra, Firozabad, Mathura and Bharatpur towns. Mathura refinery suggested to switch fuel in 2000 polluting industries to natural gas or LPG instead of coal or oil. Pipeline network is laid down of its transport. People in cities are also encouraged to use LPG. It is advised to use low sulfur containing fuels in vehicles. Here we have completed this topic. Thanks for watching.